Morning guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a very cheap duck blind. It's very simple and should do the job. We're going to paint up some stakes I had laying around the yard. We're going to attach them to this big 12-foot piece of burlap. Got it from Academy for about $12. It's apparently Realtree Max 7. I can't quite tell that from looking at it. Gonna want to staple and secure both ends to the posts. Now, with my patented folding technology, I'm going to fold this over to the pole in the middle that I stapled. Now, you can use as many of these posts as you would like, as much material as you would like. You make it as big as you'd like. I'm just going for a very cheap, simple one that we can throw up in front of us or behind us to get some extra cover when we're in tall grass. But there you have it. And it's modular. You can kind of shape it however you want, depending on how many posts you put on. This will be really good in the places that we hunt and bayous. I wouldn't go sit this in the middle of a field. Do what you like. So I built this for our use, but I wanted to film this and put it on here as part of my Duck Hunting for Cheap series, where I'm going to make a few videos showing people how to make things that typically cost a good bit of money for relatively no money. Hopefully this is helpful and will get people out there. Don't let money stop you from having a good time. You don't need the most expensive stuff. You don't need the newest thing, newest $5,000 duck blind, when you can just do something like this. It's very simple. Really appreciate everyone watching. Stay tuned for more in the Duck Hunting for Cheap series. And whatever YouTubers say, like, comment, subscribe. Have a good one. Thank you.